We just looked at a very decent grip from Makey, but I'm always up for alternative options, and I think I've got one that I have to show you. It's this, the JJC HG-XT4. So let's have a quick look and see why I want to recommend this one as well more. Anyway. Nice simple packaging. Obviously, if you haven't checked out JJC before, they make some very good accessories that I've had good time with, such as the macro extension tubes to give you autofocus. There's the unit. There are no logos on display. On the bottom, you do get a little one there. Plenty of space for the battery cover and the other port. Nice screw thread with a little handle there and another screw thread mount there. A just under flush screw there. We'll see how that gets on over time. Everything on first look decent, but you know, we need to get it on the camera. So here's my T4, line it up, and this time we don't need a coin because we can just flip up that little thing. Very handy. That feels tight. We can get to the ports there nice and easy. Battery cover nice and easy. Fits nice and flush across the bottom and nothing detracting. You do have a little gap there for your wrist strap. That's nice. On the front, there's actually, the gap goes through there as well. And the Arca Swiss mount ready. Very good. Feels good in the hand. And one thing that I wanted to look at actually, which was basically the only negative with the other one we looked at, the actual grip in this case is labeled as an anti-slip microfiber leather, and you can tell the difference. You can feel that. I'm not sure how well it's applied on there, so we'll see over time if that lasts, but I've no reason to think that it's going to go bad, but you don't know until you get into it, of course. So we're going to be using this for a while and seeing how it goes, and I'll leave an update in the comments below as time goes on. If we try any others as well, I'll do the same. But to all intents and purposes, fits nicely, feels like a nice solid bit of kit. It's all aluminium. It looks good on the camera itself. I'm not using a wrist strap, but just in case, we've got that. Arca Swiss is a big deal for me. If you've been paying attention, you know that that's one of the big reasons why I do like these grips, even though I do like the natural feel of the camera. On a long shoot, this gives you a little bit more to play with. You know, the hand doesn't get so tired after numerous hours of documentary style shooting. $39.99. I think this one is very recommendable. Let us know in the comments below if you've tried this one or if you've tried the Makey. We might be looking at the small rig too. I'll leave a comment below to this one, and yeah, that's basically it. Between this or the Makey so far, I think I know which one I'm leaning towards.